Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make a very popular North Indian recipe that is generally eaten as a snack with alcoholic drinks. I've named it Karobar chicken and those in the know will know why. For this recipe, I'll be using 400 grams of diced chicken breast and 300 grams of diced chicken livers, as well as some diced long red chillies, spring onions, capsicum, 1 bay leaf, chopped green chillies, 2 sliced red tomatoes, the paste of 1 large red onion, 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1½ teaspoon of haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and the juice of 1 lemon. Let's heat some mustard oil in a pot. Add the onion paste into the oil and fry for a minute. Then add the ginger garlic paste and fry for another minute. Then add the green chilies and mix them in. Add the bay leaf and stir the pot. Then add the diced chicken breast and liver into the pot and fry them on high heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add the powdered spices and blend them in. Then add salt according to your taste and mix it in. Then add the vegetables into the pot and fry for a minute. Now it's time to add the sliced tomatoes and continue frying for another 2 minutes. Then add a bit of water and cover and cook on medium flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take the lid off and dry out the gravy a bit. Then squeeze the lemon juice into the pot. Sprinkle a bit of garam masala. Give the pot a mix. And plate up the rather delicious Karobar chicken. Garnish with some chopped coriander leaves and serve with your favorite tipple. Karobar chicken is a humorous take on the popular North Indian evening activity of eating and drinking in the car while parked outside small eateries and dhabas. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.